Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. After the oxidation, let's see reduction. So first of all, we will see its definition. Removal of oxygen or electronegative element, and the second thing is that addition of hydrogen or electropositive element. Just remember removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. Okay, now let's see the example. The first example is here HgO, that is mercuric oxide, which is in the heat condition, it gives mercury in liquid form plus oxygen gas. Okay, then the second example is 2FeCl3 aqueous form plus H2 gas gives rise to 2FeCl2 aqueous form plus 2HCl. Here we are using the hydrogen, that is we are adding hydrogen here. Okay, if you see the first example, you can see the removal of oxygen. We are removing oxygen, that's why we are getting here oxygen gas. The first part is done here, that is removal of oxygen. Now the second example, if you see Cl3, that is Cl3 becomes Cl2. Here we are removing again electronegative element. Chlorine is the electronegative element. Okay, so we are removing here chlorine, that's why this is again reduction reaction, and we got here hydrochloric acid. Now this is example is the important example. Here 2HgCl2 aqueous form plus SnCl2 aqueous form, which gives rise to 2Hg2Cl2 and SnCl4. Okay, first of all look at this. We have here HgCl2 which turns into Hg2. Okay, so if you see here we are adding adding electropositive element. Okay, mercury is the electropositive element and we are adding one more mercury here, that's why we are adding here electropositive element. Okay, so this part of the reaction is follows reduction. Okay, but if you see here SnCl2 turns into SnCl4. Okay, chlorine is electronegative element and we are adding chlorine. So addition of electronegative element is nothing but oxidation. Okay, addition of electronegative element is nothing but oxidation. So this reaction shows us simultaneously reduction also and oxidation. Okay, this reaction shows us oxidation also and reduction, that's why these type of reactions are called as redox reactions. Okay, these type of reactions are called as redox reactions. So the second part is of this reaction is redox reactions in the terms of electron transfer. Okay, we know oxidation is happening, reduction is also happening, but how? Okay, so I have one example here, 2Na which is in solid form plus Cl2 which is in gaseous form, which gives rises to NaCl, that is sodium chloride. But how? Okay, but how? Let's see. So on this page you can see little mess. Okay, just focus on the what I wrote here. Okay, NaCl, Na2O and Na2S, these are ionic compounds. Ionic means we are getting ions from these. Okay, so we can get from NaCl, we can get NaCl, Na plus Cl minus, and from Na2O we are getting Na2 plus O2 minus, again Na2S we are getting Na2 plus S2 minus. Okay, so but how? Let's see. Now here 2Na which is in solid form, which loses electrons. Okay, which loses electrons and it got the plus sign. When the element lose the electron, it got the plus sign. Na plus, which is in gaseous form, plus 2 electrons. Okay, this reaction shows the loss of electrons. Next, Cl2 gas plus 2 electrons, and this reaction is gaining of the electrons. Okay, here gain of electrons is happening. Okay, so when Cl2 got the 2 electron, it becomes 2Cl minus. When the element loses electron, it got the plus sign, and when the element gains electron, it got the minus sign. Now we have to summarize this. Before that, just look at this half reaction. What is the half reaction? Okay, when we are showing the formation of ions, okay, this type of reactions follows the steps, step 1, step 2, more than two steps. Okay, so each step is called as half reaction. Now The overall reaction we can write as 2Na solid plus Cl2 gas, which gives rise to 2Na plus Cl minus or 2NaCl. Okay, now what we got from this? If you observe properly, sodium is a donor type of element. Okay, sodium is donor type of element, means it is giving the electrons and getting the positive charge, that is Na plus, Na2 plus, Na2 plus, like that. So we are getting here a name for it, that is reducing agent, donor of electron, that is our sodium. Okay, reducing agent. When the element reduce or the donate the electron, it called as reducing agent, and its opposite, that is accepting the electron, that is oxidizing agent. And we have chlorine, sulfur and oxygen. Okay, now again we got the one more definition for oxidation and reduction, that is loss of electron is nothing but oxidation and gain of electron is nothing but reduction. Okay, I hope you understood this much part of the lesson. Thanks for watching.